Today, we're making Halal Guy's chicken and rice. If you've never had this before, all I can say is you will absolutely want to try it. It's a straightforward chicken recipe that is seasoned really well and pairs nicely with hummus. Let's get cooking. Measure out half a tablespoon of salt, 10 cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. In a mortar and pestle, combine all these ingredients and grind into a paste. We'll also add 6 cloves of crushed garlic. In a bowl, measure out about 1 cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, add our paste, mix all together. We'll then add about 12 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And mix so that all the chicken is coated in the marinade. Let marinate for 30 minutes for best results. We'll also prep 6 cups of basmati rice. Wash it with cold water. Then add about 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoons of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Add water until about 1 centimeter above the rice line. Gently mix, then cook. See the video in the description for how to make rice in 3 minutes. On a pan set to medium-high heat, preheat some oil, then we'll add our chicken thighs. Allow to cook for about 7 minutes on each side until we see a nice browning. We'll repeat for the remaining chicken. We'll cut up the thighs and portion it out. There's normally a white sauce that goes with this, but I forgot to make it, so if you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments below and I can make a follow-up video. Otherwise, this recipe makes about 10 servings. This was an easy but flavor-packed recipe that is great for lunches. If I were to make this again, I would add more veggies on the side, but the chicken and rice combo is alone, it's hard to say no to. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.